The Supreme Court ended its term with a major ruling that strikes down President Trump's executive order that limits birthright citizenship.
CBS News' Jared Hill joins us now with reactions to this decision. Jared, good morning.
Good morning, AJ and Heather. Yeah, the Supreme Court, in basically a split decision, said birthright citizenship is baked into the Constitution. It's a blow to President Trump's agenda, but he's already looking for ways around it.
Birthright. That's a big one.
One of the first executive orders of President Trump's second term.
Birthright citizenship is a disgrace.
Now struck down in the Supreme Court's final opinion of their latest term, narrowly rejecting the president's argument that the 14th Amendment granted citizenship to enslaved black people and their descendants, not the more than 250,000 children born in the U.S. each year to non-citizens. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, said under the Constitution, they are citizens at birth. President Trump called the ruling too bad for our country and urged Congress to immediately find other ways to take action. House Speaker Mike Johnson, a Republican, heeded the call.
If it requires a constitutional amendment, maybe we work towards that. If there's something we do statutorily, maybe we do that as well.
Congressional Democrats praised the ruling.
No would-be king gets to pick and choose who is and who is not American.
The decision was also hailed by Norman Wong, great-grandson of Wong Kim Ark, the San Francisco-born Chinese-American at the center of the Supreme Court's first case upholding birthright citizenship for the children of non-citizens back in 1898.
He's become a symbol to the common man. The common man can make a difference.
In a separate 6-3 decision yesterday, the court ruled that states can continue to prohibit transgender athletes from competing on female sports teams. Currently, 27 states have bans on the books. President Trump called that ruling a big win. And another big ruling could impact the midterms, loosening campaign finance laws. The decision lets political parties spend more money directly with their candidates. Democrats had argued that that would put more power in the hands of big donors, which tends to favor Republicans. Back to you.
Jared, thank you.